Hello students, welcome to Classy Max. Previous videoல chapter 8 statistics part 1 பார்த்தோம். இப்போ probability part 2 பார்க்கலாம். Important definitions and formulae. வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போகலாம். First one, a random experiment is an experiment in which the set of all possible outcomes are known. Exact outcome is not known. 22nd, the set of all possible outcomes in a random experiment is called a sample space. 23. Each element of a sample space is called a sample point. 24th. Each possible outcome in a random experiment is called an event. Thus, an event will be a subset of the sample space. 25th one. Performing an experiment once is called a trial. 26th. Equally likely events. Two or more events are said to be equally likely if each one of them has an equal chance of occurring. 27. Certain events. In an experiment, the event which surely occur is called certain event. 28. Impossible events. In an experiment, if an event has no scope to occur, then it is called an impossible event. 29. Mutually exclusive events. Two or more events are said to be mutually exclusive if they don't have common sample points. That is, A intersection B is equal to pi. 30th. Exhaustive events. The collection of events whose union is the whole sample space are called exhaustive events. 31. Complementary events. The complementary of an event A is the event representing collection of sample points not in A. It is denoted by A dash or A complement or A bar. Note. The event A and its complement A dash are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. 32. Elementary event. If an event E consists of only one outcome, then it is called an elementary event. 33. Probability of an event. In a random experiment, let S be the sample space and E is contained in S. Then, if E is an event, the probability of occurrence of E is defined as P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. 34. Important notes. First one, the probability of sure event is 1. That is, P of S is equal to N of S by N of S is equal to 1. Second point, the probability of impossible event is 0. Third one, P of E lies from 0 to 1. That is, the probability value always lies from 0 to 1. Fourth point, the complementary event of E is E bar. Therefore, P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. Fifth point, P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. Sixth point, A intersection A bar is equal to pi. Similarly, A union A bar is equal to S. Next one, if A and B are mutually exclusive events, then P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. Eighth point, P of, that is probability of union of mutually exclusive events is equal to sigma probability of events. That is sum of all events. 35th point. Theorem. If A and B are two events associated with a random experiment, then P of A intersection B bar is equal to P of only A, that is equal to P of A minus P of A intersection B. Second one, P of A bar intersection B is equal to P of only B, that is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. 36th one, addition theorem of probability. For any two events A comma B, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Second one, for any three events A comma B comma C, P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. So we have completed all the formulae and definition in all the 8 chapters. ஸோ இனி எல்லா டெஃபனிஷன்ஸ் ஃபார்முலாவை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிட்டு எக்ஸாம் அட்டன் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். தேங்க்யூ. டேக் கேர்.